it, I'll give you the instruction what to do and what not to do. Then you will have the extra 20 minutes where you can get extra on your own. So without instruction, don't touch any instruments here. So while giving instruction, first watch and learn. So those are tubular bells which have like 8 scales of sound. So we have to play one by one. And then you have to insert your head between the pipe so that you can feel 2 different vibrations at the same time. So while you're listening, don't try and touch the pipes, otherwise the vibration and sound will get stopped. We go for the next. So this is the listening ear. The other point is there, so where we can communicate to each other, like we can talk to each other, we listen to each other. Hi Jivan! Say hi! Hello, hi! No, school poli ani ninga yaru ho? Okay, the connection goes through underground until there. When we go to the other side, I'll show you the other point. So we go for the next. So this is a bow harp, a string instrument, which you have to play it very gently and very slowly. If you want helper, you can go, you can come later. I'll take you. Yes. So if you want to feel the vibration directly, you have to stay in front of these 2 points so that you can have the vibration shower on your body. So can you come closer? Just stay near the point and listen to the point. Don't need to put your ear inside. Just be normal. Yeah. So can someone come the other side? Yeah. Just listen to the point. Okay, step back now. So don't try to pluck the strings very hard. Otherwise, you will make the bad vibration. Also, there is a chance that you can cut the strings very easily. So try to play it very gently and very slowly, like plugging the flowers. So we go for the next. So this instrument called the spinner, which we have to spin it and then play one by one. Or you can place the mallet on the top. So make sure to contact with the rubber. Okay. So if you contact with metal and metal, it makes the bad sound and also it makes the damages. So we go for the next. So those instruments are gong, which is made out of aluminium and sound with ohm. So all of you just close your eyes and feel the ohm sound. Bamboo groove where you can walk through inside. So make sure that you remove your glasses before you're entering inside, otherwise the bamboo will get hit and it makes the damages. So the bamboo groove gives the bamboo sounds and also it gives the bamboo forest adventure feel while you're walking through inside. So this is a spiral stone drum. Without pulling the strings down, just hold it and then make twist in any sides. So once you feel the tight, you can leave it. So all of you come closer to me. So this instrument called the washing sound, which brings the washing sound. So this is the other point you have to listening here, where we can communicate each other. So those are aluminium bowls which we have to grab it all together. Then leave it very gently, it gives a temple bell sound. The beryllium copper, the material is pure copper which brings the pure copper sound. So grab it all together and then make one little piece. Then you can leave it. So we have two types of gongs. So one is there we already saw, which is made out of aluminium, and this gong which is made out of granite stone, also sound with foam. So this is the largest microphone, which is made out of xylophone, so please make sure to play on the center always. Don't try to play on the edges, otherwise you break the tone very easily. Go for the next. So this instrument called the ringing stone, which gives the ringing sound. So we have to grab some pebbles, bring it up and put it slowly inside here. Go for the next. So those stones are sound stones which bring the vibration and sound. So while you're playing those stones, first make sure that you remove your rings, otherwise you'll make the scratches on the stone. Then you have to make your hands wet. Then you have to rub it on the side. So while you are rubbing this, to remove the oily thing or whatever the moist and dirty, you have to be very clean. So come closer. In this stone, you can place your chin so that you can feel the vibration directly from the stone. Maybe can you place your chin? So go for the next. So those stones are sound stones which bring, those stones are rubbing stone which we have to rub with the stone. So this instrument called a sound shower. So you people, you only have to place your ears. When you change the place, you will hear the different scales of sounds. So we go for the next. This instrument called a tapta, which is made out of granite stone. We just need to tap it. So you can play it in any rhythm. So same tapta, which is made out of PVC plastic. We go for the next. So come closer. So this instrument called the cymatic sand pattern, which bring the pattern by the vibration and sound. So this you can try if you want to make the pictures or video. So this is your time now. So yeah, now you people will have 20 more minutes, so make sure that you use the time properly. Have a nice time. Thank you.
Thank you. Can you hear me? How are you? What you had in lunch? Be a little loud and clear.
Hi Lakshita. Can you hear me? Okay, now you are going to put stones.
Able to hear different vibrations?
Ocean wave sound will come if we rotate this. Yes. It's coming. Slowly water. So we are going to try bamboo sound. We have to cross this bamboo. Now I want to try. Okay, play.
मम्मा हटो आपके साइड के ऊपर गिरा
धीरे से.
One dance.
Fast, fast, fast.
थोड़ा सा.
Okay, man.